Hi, we're Rick and Mary. We found the Fast Results group when we attended several of Megan's open houses in our neighborhood. And also Katie from her firm helped our son buy his condo about 2 years ago. We selected them because the firm does just exactly what we needed. They look out for the interests of the buyer and the seller, and were just extremely helpful throughout the process.
They were able to get us all the results you were looking for when we decided to sell my mother's house this fall. The house hadn't been updated since 1995 when Mom moved in and needed extensive renovations. So Fast Results and Megan in particular helped us to tap into a series of contractors, their contractor network. We were able to get the home in great shape in less than 2 months, so it was a really quick turnaround, including taking down a load-bearing wall to open the space up, which was really a great decision, and Megan had recommended that. They helped us price the property to sell and arranged for perfect staging, and we got several offers for over asking price in the first 2 days that the house was on the market. Our overall experience was terrific. Communications were excellent, and the process was very smooth. We both recommend Fast Results to anyone who's considering putting their property on the market and wants to get the best price with outstanding support all along the way. Couldn't say anything more about the group. It's been a great experience.